get on this board, we're gonna win.
This guy just said calls when I have 200 ping.
That's fine. Let's listen to my callouts.
This guy just said it's fine.
We're just gonna kid snipe, okay? We're gonna kid snipe so hard.
Yeah, it's good. Yo, Christian, you know how to play bard, right?
Wait. Yeah, I know how to board. I know how to board.
Yeah, you definitely don't know. Yo,
I
I'm
should have got a bow kit.
I'm on 33 ping too, so.
I'm on a lot.
Yeah, which is
Me
good.
too.
Ty can abuse and just blink right by.
Oh my god, wait, what's this guy doing?
Wait, hello?
I
Sweet
knew.
Three, get on the board, get on the board! What?
Get on the board, get on the board!
What is this guy doing? Alright, get on the archer, get on the
Oh
archer!
my god, I debuffed him, I debuffed him, I debuffed the bard, I debuffed the bard!
I'm on the archer, I'm on the archer!
Oh my god, oh my god.
Guys, get on the archer! He's in lava, he's in lava! Jump on him, jump on him!
Oh my god, I'm gonna just kill the archer.
Alright, guys, I need help. There's 2 diamonds on me.
Wait, I'm going.
Alright, I'm gonna mega myself. Oh my god. The bard is on
Oh,
me,
you're
Archie.
in.
Help me.
That's an Agarwaz bard. Turn.
Alright, I'm gonna
Oh
try.
my god, I'm gonna just kill the archer. Watch out.
Bro, I'm fighting a bard, guys. Help.
Yeah, and I
Get
got
on the
6
board,
diamonds on
get
my
on the board,
phone.
get on the
Oh
board,
my
get on the board.
god, I'm on the bard, I'm on the bard, oh my god.
I won too.
Alright. Wait, the bard's gonna die! He's in
The
lava.
bard's so dead. Oh my god, the bard was so low.
Wait, Rackmat's. Oh my god, that Rackmat dude almost just fucking quickie.
Alright, I'm gonna jump boost
Dude,
myself.
they're so drained, they're so drained.
Yeah, guys, we're winning. Get on the archer. Get on the
We're
archer,
winning,
get on
we're
the
winning
archer.
this, we're winning.
Get on the
We're winning,
archer.
we're winning.
We're actually winning. They don't know about me.
We're gonna
Wait,
be pro.
you just tried to pearl on me.
Wait, what? He missed.
Wait, I'm gonna speed 3. Go.
Oh my god, he's in lava, he's in lava.
We're winning.
Oh my god.
Come on, boys.
Wait, no,
lagging,
oh my god, I'm
lagging,
just lagged out.
Yeah, me too. It's a server.
Dude, the archer's so drained as well. I've been
Alright,
draining
get on
him
the
the
kids,
whole
guys. We need to focus on these hits. Stop taking diamond fight. You're gonna lose. Alright. I'm gonna get on the archer. I speed 3 myself. I'm on the archer.
time.
On the bar, I'm on the bar.
Archer's in lava. Kill him.
What? We have debuffs?
Yeah. Alright, guys, wait. You guys don't have effects. Ty, are you good?
Oh, that dude just ate a fucking debuff.
Oh, I just jumped over
Look at the
him.
bard's right there.
Alright, I'm a demon bard.
The bard's on CD.
Alright. I need help. They're gonna try to kid snipe me.
No, the bard's on you right now.
I'm good. I have a lot of pots.
What?
I'm good.
Nah.
Are you guys getting effects or no?
Yeah.
If you're not, just try to stay by me. I'm gonna
Wait, this
get
Rackmat has no. This Rackmat dude has no fire
I'm on the
res.
bard.
Alright,
Rackmat
check
has
this. I'm
no
gonna
fire
speed
res.
to you.
Oh my
Go,
god,
go.
I'm getting rocked.
You have it.
Oh, I got quick shot. Quick shot.
Nice.
We actually did this.
We actually won. I have pots for days. Wait,
Wait,
there's
it's
one
AFK.
AFK?
Oh my god, he just came back. Oh my god, he just came back right now.
No.
I almost just quick
way.
trapped another. I'm
Sorry,
chasing.
You're taking a
I know
1v1.
it.
He might have effects now, so.
I don't care. I'm raping this dude.
I only had 2 pots that whole time, like in my hotbar. They suck at kid sniping. Wait, just
Right
fight
here,
the
right here,
diamonds.
right
Just fight the diamonds. Wait for the bird to come back. Alright, Sweet 3, get on the board.
I'll quick drop.
You quick chopped? Oh,
No, I quick dropped him.
I was about to say like, no way. All right, well I'll just go
Bro,
1v1.
we're
I'll win every time.
We're demons. Come on, the 2 laggers and then the demon bard.
Oh my god,
Two
he's dead,
lag
he's dead.
cities.
Alright. I shrink 2. Jump on
Hold
him. I shrink 2. Where'd he go?
Why? Wait, what?
What?
He's
Oh, he
Houdini.
pearled.
Bro,
Houdini.
where did he go? Hello.
Dude, we're actually a demon, dude. We're actually demons.
Just took a 5v3. That's not fair.
Boys, let's get the SS for the video, the thumbnail. Come on.
Oh my god.
We gotta get-
Dude,
come on,
that
boys,
would have been a
boys.
pope, bro.
Alright, I'm
Bro,
going
that would
in
have
the
been a
middle.
pope.
I'll be in the middle.
Bro,
I'm
that would have been
recording. Come on. Take it. No. What are you doing?
a. Dude, that would have been.
Take
a
it right here.
pope,
Take it right here.
bro.
Take it right here on the
Alright, come on.
That would've been a
Boys,
pope.
come on. Right in front of it or on it?
right here.
Checkbooks, come on.
Checkbook. Leave that dude. Leave him.
Checkbooks. Alright, come on.
Dude, what are we doing?
Yeah,
It doesn't even matter.
SS.
Just take a picture.
Thumbnail. Alright, we got it.
Ah!
Take his ass.
We get it. No, I got per block.
Oh my god, bro, my
Oh,
team's
he's
so
gonna- oh,
bad.
he's gonna-
He wants the spook. He wants my. Oh, okay, hold on. He's dead.
Oh, dude, you really got me with that debuff. I hit him right in the face with that.
He's dead to the bar.
거기구나.
He's dead to the bar. He's dead to the bar. Okay,
Oh my god!
that's how you win a 3v5.
Wow.
That's how you win a
Dude, let's do them
3v5.
again. Let's do them again. Let's do them again.
Oh my